just saw that my little squirrel friend is out. Pardon my messy ass house. My little squirrel buddy is out here. I'm gonna try not to scare her. Oh. Yeah, look at what she did. Look at what you did. That's a bad squirrel. I would give you something to eat. She dumped my whole damn bird feeder. Well, come here. Come on. Baby, I want to give you something to eat. Come here. Come on. I'm biting. Come on. Come here. I'm biting. Come on. This is only like the third time we've seen her since spring. Hi, baby. Come here. Here, come here. Oh, here she comes. Come on. That's a good girl. Come on. You didn't have to dump my whole damn bird feeder, you jerk. Well, it's always fun when the damn pet squirrel you made friends with dumps your whole freaking bird feeder. So I guess that's it. Thanks so much for watching.